once you're in Strava on your computer, go to the plus and then upload activity. And my thing's pretty slow. And then right there you click on file and then browse. And then you go find your Garmin under the USB drives. Click on the Garmin thing up there. My video was pretty bad. You click on Garmin, and then once that loads, you click on activities. And you just scroll down and find the date of your activity. And you find that, you just click on it, and it should load shortly after that. And then you can like name it and stuff there, but I just went straight into adding the run. Click save and view, and voila, the run's up. And here's a picture of it because my phone was pretty slow at loading it. And so that's how you upload manually.